An inspector discovered unlicensed workers installing outdoor lighting for a homeowner. The homeowner had hired her cleaning crew instead of a licensed electrician. The homeowner and cleaning crew falsely claimed to be the company that lost the bid for the job. The inspector alerted authorities, which resulted in charges against the homeowner and cleaning crew. The homeowner and cleaning crew face substantial fines. The homeowner cannot complete the work until the charges are resolved. The inspector will pursue similar violations in their jurisdiction. Despite losing time and facing frustration, the inspector remains steadfast in enforcing electrical safety regulations. They believe that their actions will help make their jurisdiction a safer place. Electrical work is regulated to ensure safety and prevent hazards such as fires and electrical shocks. Licensed electricians undergo extensive training and must demonstrate competency through examinations and practical experience. Hiring unlicensed individuals to perform electrical work can lead to code violations, improper installations, and dangerous conditions. Inspectors play a crucial role in enforcing electrical codes and regulations. They conduct inspections to verify that electrical work is performed safely and in compliance with applicable standards. When inspectors discover violations, they have the authority to issue warnings, stop work, and impose penalties. The consequences of hiring unlicensed workers can be significant for both homeowners and the individuals performing the work. Homeowners may face fines, legal liabilities, and the cost of correcting substandard work. Unlicensed workers may face fines, legal charges, and difficulty finding future work. The importance of hiring licensed electricians cannot be overstated. Licensed electricians have the knowledge, skills, and experience to perform electrical work safely and effectively. They are familiar with electrical codes and regulations and can ensure that electrical installations meet applicable standards. Homeowners can verify that an electrician is licensed by checking with their local licensing board or regulatory agency. It is also important to ask for proof of insurance and references before hiring an electrician. When electrical work is performed safely and properly, it protects homeowners, occupants, and the public from potential hazards. Electrical safety is a shared responsibility that requires the cooperation of homeowners, electricians, inspectors, and regulatory agencies. Firstly, always hire licensed and insured electricians. Secondly, verify the electrician's credentials with the local licensing board. Thirdly, obtain multiple bids before hiring an electrician. Fourthly, check references and read online reviews. Fifthly, ensure that the electrician obtains the necessary permits before starting work. Sixthly, inspect the work carefully and ask questions if you have any concerns. Seventhly, report any suspected code violations to the local inspection authority. Electrical codes are designed to protect people and property from electrical hazards. They cover a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is the most widely adopted electrical code in the United States. It is updated every 3 years by the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA. Local jurisdictions may adopt the NEC with or without amendments. Electrical inspectors are responsible for enforcing electrical codes. They conduct inspections to verify that electrical work is performed in compliance with the code. Inspectors may issue warnings, stop work, or impose penalties for code violations. The NEC provides detailed requirements for electrical installations in various types of buildings and occupancies. These requirements are based on the latest research and best practices in electrical safety. Some key areas covered by the NEC include branch circuits, feeders, services, grounding, overcurrent protection, wiring methods, and equipment installation. The NEC also includes specific requirements for special occupancies, such as hazardous locations, healthcare facilities, and swimming pools. Electrical safety is an ongoing process that requires continuous learning and adaptation. Electricians, inspectors, and other electrical professionals must stay up to date on the latest codes, standards, and technologies. They must also be aware of the potential hazards associated with electrical work and take appropriate precautions to prevent accidents. Electrical safety training is essential for all electrical workers. Training programs cover a wide range of topics, including electrical theory, code requirements, safe work practices, and personal protective equipment. Electrical safety certifications are also available for electricians and other electrical professionals. These certifications demonstrate that individuals have met certain competency requirements and are qualified to perform electrical work safely. Electrical accidents can result in serious injuries or fatalities. Common causes of electrical accidents include contact with energized conductors, arc flash, and electrical shock. It is important to follow safe work practices and use appropriate personal protective equipment to prevent electrical accidents. Lockout/tagout procedures are used to prevent accidental energization of electrical equipment during maintenance or repair. These procedures involve disconnecting the equipment from its power source and attaching a lock and tag to the disconnect switch. The lock and tag prevent anyone from accidentally turning on the equipment while work is being performed. Grounding is an important safety measure that helps to protect people from electrical shock. Grounding provides a low-resistance path for fault current to flow back to the source, which causes the overcurrent protection device to trip and de-energize the circuit. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are used to protect people from electrical shock in wet or damp locations. GFCIs monitor the current flowing in a circuit and trip if they detect a ground fault. Arc flash is a dangerous electrical hazard that can occur when a short circuit occurs in the air. Arc flash can generate intense heat and pressure, which can cause serious burns, injuries, and even death. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is used to protect electrical workers from electrical hazards. PPE includes items such as safety glasses, gloves, footwear, and flame-resistant clothing. It is important to select the appropriate PPE for the task being performed and to inspect the PPE before each use. Electrical safety audits are conducted to identify potential electrical hazards and to evaluate the effectiveness of electrical safety programs. Audits can help to identify areas where improvements are needed and to ensure that electrical safety practices are being followed. Electrical safety committees are formed to promote electrical safety within an organization. Committees can develop and implement electrical safety programs, conduct training, and investigate electrical accidents. Electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. By following safe work practices, using appropriate personal protective equipment, and staying up to date on the latest codes and standards, we can all help to prevent electrical accidents and injuries. The role of the electrical inspector is paramount in ensuring public safety. They serve as the gatekeepers, verifying that electrical installations adhere to established codes and standards. Their diligent work prevents potential hazards and safeguards lives and property. Electrical inspectors possess a comprehensive understanding of the National Electrical Code and local amendments. They meticulously examine wiring, equipment, and installations to identify any deviations from the code. Their expertise allows them to recognize potential risks and ensure that electrical systems are safe and reliable. The inspection process involves a thorough review of plans, permits, and documentation. Inspectors verify that the proposed work complies with all applicable regulations. They conduct on-site inspections to assess the quality of workmanship and ensure that materials are installed correctly. During inspections, inspectors may identify various types of violations. These violations can range from minor infractions to serious safety hazards. Common violations include improper wiring, inadequate grounding, and insufficient overcurrent protection. When violations are discovered, inspectors issue correction notices. These notices outline the specific violations and provide instructions on how to rectify them. Inspectors may also issue stop work orders if the violations pose an immediate threat to safety. The enforcement of electrical codes is essential for maintaining public safety. By identifying and correcting violations, inspectors prevent potential fires, electrical shocks, and other hazards. Their work helps to protect homeowners, businesses, and the community as a whole. Electrical inspectors play a vital role in educating the public about electrical safety. They provide guidance and information to homeowners, contractors, and other stakeholders. Their expertise helps to promote a culture of safety and prevent electrical accidents. The relationship between electrical inspectors and contractors is crucial for ensuring compliance with electrical codes. Inspectors work collaboratively with contractors to ensure that work is performed correctly and safely. Open communication and mutual respect are essential for a successful working relationship. Electrical inspections are not intended to be punitive. The primary goal is to ensure that electrical systems are safe and compliant with applicable regulations. Inspectors work to help contractors understand and correct any deficiencies. Homeowners can assist electrical inspectors by providing access to their properties and cooperating with the inspection process. They should also be prepared to answer questions about the electrical work being performed. The future of electrical inspections is evolving with the introduction of new technologies. Drones, thermal imaging cameras, and other tools are being used to enhance the inspection process. These technologies allow inspectors to identify potential problems more quickly and efficiently. Electrical inspectors are dedicated professionals who are committed to ensuring public safety. Their expertise, diligence, and commitment to excellence are essential for maintaining the safety and reliability of electrical systems. The inspectors' actions in the scenario described above highlight the importance of their role in protecting the public. By uncovering the unlicensed electrical work and taking appropriate action, the inspector prevented potential hazards and ensured that the work was performed by qualified professionals. The NEC Table 310.15b16 provides ampacity ratings for conductors based on insulation type and temperature rating. It is important to select conductors with adequate ampacity to carry the intended load. Overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, are used to protect electrical circuits from overloads and short circuits. These devices must be properly sized to protect the conductors and equipment in the circuit. Grounding is essential for providing a safe path for fault current to flow back to the source. Grounding systems must be properly installed and maintained to ensure their effectiveness. Wiring methods must comply with the requirements of the NEC. These requirements cover topics such as conductor type, size, and spacing. Electrical equipment must be listed and labeled by a recognized testing laboratory. This ensures that the equipment has been tested and meets safety standards. Electrical installations must be inspected and approved by a qualified electrical inspector before they are put into service. This helps to ensure that the installation complies with the NEC and is safe to operate. Electrical safety is an ongoing process that requires continuous learning and adaptation. Electricians, inspectors, and other electrical professionals must stay up to date on the latest codes, standards, and technologies.